5-minute mindfulness meditation, returning to the present moment. Welcome. Take this moment to find a position that feels just right for you. You might be sitting upright, lying down, or resting in a supported chair. There's no right or wrong way to begin, only what feels gentle and kind to your body. When you're ready, allow your eyes to softly close. Let the outside world melt into the background and begin to bring your attention inward. Start by noticing your body. Notice the way it connects with the ground or surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being fully held, fully supported. Let your muscles relax into this support. Now gently bring your awareness to the breath. There's no need to change it. Just watch it. Feel the breath as it moves in and as it flows out. Take a slow breath in through your nose and slowly exhale out through your mouth. Let yourself begin to settle. Bring awareness to your face. Let your jaw soften, your forehead smooth, your cheeks loosen. There is nowhere to go, nothing to fix. Just for these next few moments, let yourself simply be. You may begin to notice thoughts passing through your mind, and that's perfectly okay. There is no need to resist them, no need to get caught up in them. Simply let them come and let them go, like clouds drifting across a vast open sky. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel the breath in your chest. Feel the belly gently rise and fall. Let the breath be your anchor, always here, always steady. As you stay with the breath, tune into your body once more. Notice any sensations that are present: warmth, coolness, tingling, stillness. There's no need to label or analyze, just notice. And as you continue to breathe, bring with you a sense of curiosity, as if you're discovering yourself in this moment for the very first time. Be here, now, just as you are. You are practicing presence. You are becoming aware. You are allowing all things to exist as they are, without needing to judge or change a single thing. This is mindfulness. This is peace. Stay here for a few more breaths. Inhale slowly. Exhale fully. Let your body rest in this stillness. You are doing beautifully, and this moment, just as it is enough.